While our genetic heredity mostly determines the appearance of our face, good eating habits and some specific care can do wonders. Today's video will discuss 4 tips to smooth and lift sagging cheeks. If you are new to Remedies 1 channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. Have you noticed that your cheeks are getting a little flabby, with a slight lack of firmness perhaps? Don't worry, here are a few simple and inexpensive remedies to mitigate this effect and make you feel more attractive. Tips to smooth and lift sagging cheeks. 1. Facial exercises. Just as we exercise to tighten out buttocks or abdomen, we can do the same with our cheeks. Your cheeks continue to have muscle, and therefore you can bolster them and correct their sagging. This is therefore a remedy that is worth pursuing. And how do you do it? It's very easy. Stand in front of the mirror and make a very exaggerated and marked smile for about 10 seconds. Then rest and repeat 5 times. Then fill your inner cheeks full of air as if you were inflating a balloon. Again, do this for 10 seconds, relax, then repeat 5 more times. Finally, with both hands, massage in a circle motion just above your cheekbones for 2 minutes, then go a bit further down in the middle of the cheek, where you can feel your teeth. See how easy it is. Repeat the procedure twice a day. 2. Avocado and honey mask. This remedy is well known and really easy to do. You already know that avocado is firming and moisturizing. It helps you get a more toned and moisturized skin by nourishing it, thus avoiding the appearance of wrinkles and enabling the muscles to obtain good nutrition. You just have to obtain half of the avocado pulp and add 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix everything well and apply this cream to your cheeks for 15 minutes. It is ideal to do this just before bedtime, and after the mask has been on for 15 minutes, rinse it off with warm water. It's just right. 3. Mask of yogurt and aloe vera. This is a very nutritious technique and used by many women. Plain yogurt combined with aloe vera acts as an excellent firming cream and is therefore worth the effort to start each day with it. To benefit from it, you just have to get 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt and put it in a bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Use a spoon to mix both ingredients until smooth. It is very easy, as you can see. We apply it to the face with a brush and leave it on for 20 minutes. You will see that it adheres well to the skin. After the 20 minutes, you can remove it with water. You will immediately notice very smooth skin. If you do this each day, you will see that little by little you are bolstering those sagging cheeks. 4. Proper nutrition. You know that what we put into our body is reflected on the outside. Keep in mind that fluid retention will cause your cheeks to look puffy, and that these weight differences will have a long-term effect on our metabolism and our skin, which will eventually look saggy and flaccid. All this can be avoided by following a natural cleansing diet with the juices of grapefruit, orange, and even strawberries, which are also very suitable for cleansing and detoxing. It is indeed possible to add firmness to those sagging cheeks with a little effort and these simple tips. It is worth giving them a try. How you smooth and lift your sagging cheeks, let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.